Here is our updates for hyacinth flowers and blooming. This is the hyacinth pink, and this one is finished. See, the funny thing though, as you notice, when they are young, this one like 2 days ago it's blooming for me. She's really pretty. It's a really nice candy, Christmas candies, stripy. And when you push your nose like this, oh wow, that's very impressive and smell nice. Very nice perfume. Oh, ang sarap siya i-smell, or really nice, or kind of delicious sugary smelling. So when they are young, as you can see, I just open it nicely on me. This is a bit taller and really nice and healthy one, and the other one is smaller, but it's still full of flowers. See the differentiate between the two of these guys. This one is the newly baby, opened 2 days ago, mentioned earlier. As you can see, light pinkish stripy, greenish before it opened it, before the blooms open. So you can see the differentiate, guys. Yeah, it's very very nice, super attractive for me anyway, guys. I don't know about you. So I have 3 of them, ordered 3 of them online from the seed collection, and one is pretty not so well, but they're good now because I save it before it's too late. Something on the roots that really digging on it, like a larva that infested from my soil, I think. I'm not sure. So after that I save, and then for now it's just beheaded. It's just the bulbs left, not that one but the other. I believe it was my blue color, which is my favorite one, but it's too late to order now because it's already mid-July right now. So if I order, probably won't flowering to me until next year, but maybe it will, so but a bit too late. I'll see if I order another one because I really like that blue or purple color. Shame that didn't grow for me. So I'll see if I order really one because I'm really dying to have one of them in my collection. Anyway, guys, so this is 2 days ago, and it looked like that and smells so good. And over here, the first one that opening, I don't know, month ago or so, or 3 weeks. Let's say 3 weeks ago, it was open, just exactly like this. All right, this one is nice and tall. This one is just nice and a little bit less taller than the second one here. So anyway, here it is. Okay, as you can see, they are different breed here. They are both pink. It's just a difference, that differentiate when this one is first blooming, like the first 1 day, first 2 days, you look like this, lightly pink color, but still stripy. And then once they're getting matured day by day, it will turn into reddish pink stripy, which is very nice, like an amber color, amberish color, like super attractive as well because of that dark reddish pinkish, you know. It's super cool. The more it's like that, the more it's look like that one. So it's beautiful. So leave it like this until fall off, and then once it fall off, remove one by one of them because it will turn into bit brownish once they are finished. But they won't go in one go, you just do each of them. All right, guys. So this one is just like that, like three weeks ago already. This one is less smell in it, no more smell like it used like this when they are just first day, 2 days or weeks or so. Once this one is maturing, the more it mature, the more the flowers super attractive. But even so, first few days, first second days or so, The flowers is still nice and very very light pink. So the more it maturing, the more reddish, pinkish. It's so beautiful candy striping in there. So yeah, that's the differentiate, guys, between these two. And look at how big this one. It still have this in the bottom here. I thought I'm going to update to you guys. Why not? Because everybody love hyacinths, or who does not love the flowers blooming, especially like this. Everybody love hyacinth, you know. Hence I add that in my collection because I really want to have this in my collection. Alright, everybody, that's it. So attractive, hi, so beautiful as well, super attractive, and I love that. It's shame with the purple or blue color I didn't make it, but I beheaded it now, so there is no more green like this. It will come back to me later on, few months or so. It will turn into forming into bulb, and who knows, it'll be green. But by the time it'll be okay, it'll be finished the flowering season. But it's fine. Probably next year I will do it, or else I'll order another one. Should be still good because it's still winter here. So over here we got this hyacinth lava. I believe this is the white yellow mixed color, but when you open it, still here. This is a little bit stunting too, I think. Oh no, that's the healthiest one because that's the last one I plant this, and some of them a little bit bite, but I really quickly managed to do the thing. So anyway, I put this in the sun now in the daytime, so we love the nice slightly warm outside, so that's why I soak them in the sun like this right now. But the one with the flowers I can put this as well. Anyway, guys, this one was 3 of them like this. So when you order one batch, or per order is 3 bulbs that they gave you, healthy one. And then this one, something happened that really something bite larva in the bottom, but this two I really saved it quickly in time. That's why this one is flowering for me. So the other one here was gone, but I'm so happy even though the other one is gone and only 2 left like that, very healthy one and no bites. So it was here, but it's okay. You can't be sad because there is another 2 here, which is really really nice. And something bite in here. Something bite. Alright, that's 2 babies here. I'm not pretty sure if this bulb is connected from here, and then this one from here as well, from here to here. So that's the mother plant, and then this another one here, like more roots from mother plants to here, and then connected with this one. So this one here and here is pretty good. I don't know if this one will do like that as well. I'll see. So yeah, the more the plant's healthy, the more is better. So if I got 3 here, probably it will be super crowded because there is a 2 babies here, you know. So let me check and put this outside, and everything will be fine. Something bite in here. Never mind. That's it. That's our hyacinth, guys. Now I will soak this in the basking sunshine outside. If you are in the garage or inside the house or something, it's freezing. It's pretty freezing. So let's go outside and make this outside here. So it's nice and warm outside. A bit windy, but it's fine as long as there is a sun. Plants will love you for it. So I'll just put that here, and I'll put the other one as well here. So here it's nice sunshine here, super bright and a bit warmer already here in the sun. So now I'll have to get it back, finish the sun shining now. Now it's getting darker. It's already, it's cold and grayish weather and freezing, guys. So I have to put them back inside. Although they are the winter plants, but I need to give them back inside the house where the bright light, nice kind of warm, you still need it. And yeah, I leave them be. So this one, today is 2 days. See the color? It's so beautiful and so gorgeous. Really, really nice. mixed with the nice dark green of leaves now, and it's beautiful. This one look greenish when didn't open all these flowers yet, so now more and more matured when it get more and more darker color, like this one amber reddish when they getting matured. So once it 2 days, 1 day, first day and second day, it will just look like this. So once it get maturing onto maturing, and it looks so beautiful, reddish, pinkish, and stripy like that. So yeah, I have to put it inside now. And this one too, I'll just give them a little bit of water today. Mind you guys, I don't give them water every day, especially freezing cold, no. Unfrozen, and there is a frost coming, don't give him water. Just give him water in the bottom like this one I do. So once the weather is nice in daytime, put them outside like that. Let them hang it for hours. So when you come back from work, this one will be good. And then it's time for you, before it's so nighttime and really cold, put them inside. They love cold though, otherwise they won't propagate the flowers. This one, the hyacinth, and the orchids, any kind of orchids, they really bloom in the cold weather, or really nice cold weather. This one have to be like, you need to create the fake frost or fake cold weather for them in order for them to flower, give you flowers. If you don't create fake cold weather, like you put them in the fridge for 6 weeks or 1 month and a half, then they will bloom for you in the right time. So only if you're in the bit warmer climate, not really snowing. So if you're in the climate with so frost, you don't have to put in the fridge though. It's up to the people idea too. So anyway, we put this inside. This baby, they probably don't give us flower, but they give us just develop the nice bulb like this one. See, they will develop the bulb until they matured, and then the flower for this like this one. Or guys, if you are new to this, give us a question or give us a tips too if you're already growing the lovely, beautiful, gorgeous hyacinths. This is color pink, like a candy pink, Christmas candy pink. Subscribe if you are new to our channel. Really appreciate you, dear lovely friends, that supporting us. Also guys, you can join the join button for membership if you would like. So we're gonna give you special shout outs only for the members, or updates for anything. It depends which category you like to join. Alright, other 1, 2 and 3A, alpha 1, 1A, and alpha 1B, and alpha 1C. It depends. There's a prices below, so you can click, and I'll put the link as well if you guys want to join us. A lot of you requested, so I hope to see you in the future for our membership. Looking